playing the character.
Retrospective का जब ये idea आया था जोया, तो क्या discussion हुआ था? How did it all stem? कहाँ से कहाँ इसकी शुरुआत हुई?
I mean, my office told me this, and I got really excited that this was happening, and it was coinciding with 9 years of DDD. And I mean, there's one aspect of you says, "Am I retrospective? Am I kind of done?" But then there's another part of you that's like jumping with joy that your films are going to be on the big screen again. So it's very exciting, and I'm really grateful for this.
Right. Ajay sir, what was the idea behind all this, and why Zoya Akhtar?
नहीं आप इनका अगर आप body of work देखें excel I mean you're right Ritesh is being missed here right from Dil Chahta Hai and Zoya's films Farhan's films the body work is just incredible so it has to be done retrospective को ऐसे कोई नहीं कर सकते it has to be of somebody who's done incredible work and their body work is just amazing.
Right.
So I thought in 15 years, Luck by Chance has been quite some time. So I think even though she's got many, many more years and decades of doing incredible work, I still thought that it's something to be celebrated.
Right.
And so that's it. It was an easy night.
I think the first one is always special. And there are two firsts here. One is Luck by Chance, the first film I directed, and the second one is Talash, which is the first film we wrote together. So I think our first collaboration, Farhan is an actor who's on one and a writer was on one. So I think those are the two.
Right. Rima, for you, कौन सी एक movie रहेगी that you would love to watch again?
I'm more like in Farhan's zone, how do you choose between the kids? Yeah, it's very hard.
Right.
I love all of them. I do. I love all of them.
Right. Sanjay sir, what is that one thing जो अभी way forward क्या होगा लीडो के लिए जो हमें आगे देखने को मिलेगा और क्या होगा इस पार्टनरशिप में?
यहाँ आपको सिर्फ अच्छी पिक्चरें मिलेंगी और हाउसफुल मिलेगा टिकटें मिल गई तो बताना हमें.
ये कर दिया सर आपने ये कर दिया आपने यहाँ पे बात. We have this eminent journalist हमारे साथ यहाँ पे वो मुझे बस अभी बता रहे थे एक फिल्म जो कि फ्राइडे को रिलीज हुई थी 2 दिन तक तो आराम से टिकट्स मिल गए उसके बाद वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से वो इतनी आगे गई कि टिकट्स के लिए लाइनें लगाई थी सोहेल भाई ने है ना.
तेजाब 28 शो पैक मारी
सर
ऐसे तो लिस्ट है.
I remember Brooke Shield की film Blue Lagoon also.
A lot of people remember.
Jaws.
Right. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. I think.
Thank you.
वो फिल्म मुझे भी याद है सबको याद है यहाँ पे. Thank you so much Zoya and congratulations on this. I remember watching my first movie in Mumbai in 2009 at a PVR. It was Luck by Chance and I don't know कितने सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको वो एक उड़ान मिली. They've got that inspiration to do something in the industry. All thanks to you, Zoya Akhtar, ladies and gentlemen. We'll have a quick photo op, and for that, I'd like to invite Ms. Niharika Bijli and Mr. Aryan Gupta, ladies and gentlemen. Rima, this one's for you. Please tell me, you worked with her for quite some time now. What is that one thing? We often say कि ये picture अलग है, थोड़ी अलग बनाई गई है, हट के है. These are the words that we kind of use every now and then. What is that one thing about Zoya's storytelling or direction that actually, sets it apart from everything else, everybody else's work?
Actually, I think I already told you that in what I said the last time. I think it's take, because 10 directors can do the same story,
Right.
but it's Zoya's take on it. I think that makes it different.
Right. Talking about 10 directors doing a similar kind of stuff, I believe when the both of you had started long time back, there was this short story that you guys were supposed to direct, right? लिख तो लिया था, वो क्या हुआ? वो direct नहीं किया. कब देखने मिलेगा?
I don't know when we're going to do it.
But that's going to happen.
You never know.
When we started off, we were assistants. We met when we were assistant directors, and we thought we'd write a short story and co-direct it. What happened through that process was we understood we could write together, but we can never direct together, ever. So that was the learning from that experience.
No, but 20 years later that changed too, because we did co-direct an episode in Made in Heaven together.
Right. So the next time you guys do a movie together, यही चलाएंगे वो. ये हमने कहा था. जी हाँ, फिर से सुनिए जोया का क्या कहना था, रीमा का क्या कहना था. But I'm talking about your collaboration with Zoya. What is that one most special film that you guys have worked on, and it'll always be with you?
Yeah, honestly, these questions are very impossible to answer.
कोई एक
आपका फेवरेट बच्चा कौन सा है? क्या कह सकता है इंसान? Honestly, it's tough to say. I can say that probably the most fun we had making a film was making Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara together. Because the kind of film that it was, you could have fun. So that was probably the most enjoyable experience, not just for me as an actor, I think for everyone on the film. It was, but every film, I mean, be it Luck by Chance, be it Dil Dhadakne Do, and anything in the future that she